friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious strawberry yogurt shake. It's a very healthy recipe and very tasty too. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. We need 1 cup of strawberries, the fresh strawberries. We also need some curd, about 1 cup, and sufficient sugar. Today I'm using about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Take a mixer jar. Into the mixer jar, let's add the fresh strawberries, about 10 numbers. Let's add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can alter the sugar according to your taste. Now let's add the curd. You can also use the fresh curd. Now let's blend all the ingredients together. Let's transfer the yogurt shake into a glass. You can serve it chilled for a better taste. So that's it, friends. Our delicious strawberry yogurt shake is ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.